こんばんは。In addition to my random Japanese lesson 8th, where I talked about もったいない, some people were wondering why もったいない is not simply equal to wasteful in English. When it's translated into English, I mean. I think many agree that もったいない is not simply equal to wasteful. However, there can be still some use when もったいない can be wasteful in English. However, もったいない and wasteful are not equal generally. So one use I came up some days ago was the use of もったいない, which is not equal to wasteful, which can't be said with wasteful, is something that you are not willing to use, eat, something. So, for example, I've got some chocolate cookies on Valentine's Day. However, I can't eat them so soon because I feel もったいない because they are not so many. So that's one thing I thought I can use もったいない. That is もったいない. That can be もったいない, and which cannot be simply translated into English as wasteful. So what can be wasteful is, for example, as I said in the video, when you buy, let's say when you buy a package of eggs and you drop it as soon as you bought it, and they are no longer eatable, so you think definitely, absolutely, that's もったいない. But that can be wasteful also. Yep. So that case, wasteful equal to もったいない. That's it. Okay. So another example that もったいない cannot simply be translated into English as wasteful is just like my chocolate thing. When you buy something expensive, for example, when a woman buys some expensive skincare cream that is so little, this little tiny cup, and this costs $100, let's say, and she can't use it so much because she thinks it's もったいない. So every day she uses a bit by bit. So yeah, that's もったいない. She thinks maybe, if she's not so rich. That's it. I just randomly wanted to add something because for some people maybe the idea of もったいない was not clear, and I wanted to make it clear for you. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it made it clear to you. Bye.